Welcome back. Well, not welcome back. Look, first video ever in my first ever vehicle. Pretty good. I went to three of these. Three. I just had it in a simple pack. Yes, there is dip in there, but I just forgot my regular can at home. So I just put it in. So I just had this fancy hockey puck looking thing. Yes, I own a truck. I don't have my license yet, but I'm working on it. I have this what kind of truck I have. 2001 GMC Sonoma. My stepdad currently uses my truck, so his truck's a gas hog, so he's currently using mine. I'll make a better video on it tomorrow. I'm trying to make a video every day. And yeah. I'll most likely make two videos today. Yeah, I'm gonna make two videos today because I'm gonna make a video on the truck tomorrow. Make a video on what I want to buy for the truck because I want to buy like decals and light bars and stuff. There's some stuff I need for the truck and some stuff I know that I'm gonna need if I want to pull a trailer. Or if I get a boat. I have a boat, but I want to get a trailer for my boat, so I want to be able to pull the boat in the trailer. And I don't have a hitch or anything for it, so yeah. I'm just gonna make a ass vlog, just sitting in here, spitting in the bottle. This is small. I'm standing up right now. As you can see, I'm taller than the truck. If you're wondering where I'm sitting by the steering wheel. I need to buy some chains and rope for this truck because where I'm at, it gets real muddy where I'm at. When it rains, it gets mud like hell. We already buried a car. We got a car stuck back there. When my stepdad used to have a car, and we just got stuck down there. Like, he buried it where the freaking frame, the tires are so deep that underneath the car was actually touching the ground. So I got a truck with 4-wheel drive. I got a smaller truck, a little S10 looking thing. I got an S10 looking truck. My first truck, 2001 GMC Sonoma. I just don't have the keys yet. He has the keys. He uses this truck because this is the only truck. My truck is the only one at the house right now. His other truck, my mom's boyfriend's truck, is at his buddy's house because this is where we bought it from. I think it's like $100 a month. And there's the cat. There's a physical cat I'm trying to shoot, and he's right there. And I don't even have my gun. Every time this cat comes around, I'm surprised they're not attacking me. But this cat is so wild. It comes around every time I don't have the gun. I just wanted to come up here. I can reach under my seat and grab my hat, my big old thing. So I want to move that because I think this is what the problem with the seat is. I want to put this somewhere I can use it. I'll most likely put this underneath the back seat. Well, I don't have a back seat. Well, there's pretty much a back seat, but there's only one without a seatbelt, so I don't know how this truck's actually legal for the back seat. I had this truck for a day now, so we got the truck yesterday. Had a little bit of rust on the back. Took it to the car wash today. We got a cat staring at me Roll Tide. I like fucking the cats. I like to chase there's kittens, like freaking small cats, like the size of this pop bottle. Like long as this pop bottle, but bigger. Like they're teen cats, like a teenage cat. Those, I think, that make those things run so fast, I chase them. They just, like a bullet. And then we have a cat that might be part cat. Oh, hey kitty. Sneak attack me. You wanna come in? Come on. Come on. Every time I move, they run. We have a cat that might be part bobcat. Because the cat that we have is a pet. It's so wild, it actually looks like a bobcat, pretty much. But why are you coming around? Come around. I don't know your name because I don't even think we named you. Or just you probably did. You're probably one of the names I forgot. Come around, cat. And you don't even hop in, bro. Come on, I can hook up my speaker to my mom's phone and bump some bass in here. This is my subwoofer for now. Yeah, I know, it's really small. But yes, it works. And no, I have never picked up a girl in it yet because I don't have my license and I physically can't ride the road. But I did drive it around, so I had to move it. I drove it twice. I even learned how to back up a little bit. I went through 4 of these already. I actually went through 5 of these because I had 2 on the way. Then I had to spread them out because I had to take my medicine. Then I put 2 more in, and they're at the bottom here. Like, I got to the middle of the pouches. In the middle of the pouches, they taste bad. So I got the middle of them. Put the 2 in here. Popped 1 in my mouth, so I have from the dip. I have something to chew on for a while because I got addiction. And yes, I bought them today. So I have like this much left. And no, I did not know how to pack it. I usually just go like this. I can't do the flicking thing where your finger flicks it. Usually just like this, and it will move around. If you go like that hard enough, it will move them around a little bit. Ekranji. Sorry, another cat's coming up. This cat, most likely, this is the cat that gets in, just crawls all over the place. Reggie! Yeah, get up in here! Come here! Go sit in the passenger seat. Let me move the self-defense weapon. Looking out the window, smart move. Yeah, I know, Wendy. I know. See a goat? This cat's just rubbing up against the window. Even though the window was down. Hey, that's my cord. Watch out. I'm almost in the middle, like the flavor isn't gone. I only had this in for like 10 to 30 minutes. Let's see what time is it. I had this in for like an hour, I think. Hey, no clods. I'll get out of my car. You keep clawing me out. And pick up those hoes. I just met a girl today. I don't even know if she drives. I met her on my phone. I met her on like Facebook stuff, like Snapchat. I didn't know her, but I post a picture on my Snapchat, me in front of my truck. By the way, my Snapchat is in my description. I don't care if you add it, just add it. I post stories and stuff about YouTube stuff, and then most likely try to post stuff that come up on the upcoming video. Like upcoming videos and stuff. And I just got rid of my dip. Because it got to the middle and it was hitting. Pouches were coming out. Yeah, it tastes bad. I'm surprised the thing cleared up. We weren't supposed to have fires. But I think the clouds clear up. I think I'm close to Canada, so I'm like right above, like right underneath Canada's border, kind of. But a couple hours down by Canada's border, a couple hours down below it. So I live up north, so I mean, the smoke hits us hard. Smoke is so bad this year that we couldn't even have fires again this year. And what we burn holes. As like my truck. Like I said, my truck could get stuck in the hole. That's so deep and as big as the truck. So the truck could fit in there a little bit. Like the whole front, like the whole cab without the box, like the whole cab could fit in the hole, but the box has to be detached. So where the back seat ends or the back of the truck ends, or like if you cut the box off, you can put the box inside the hole. And like that's how big is the hole we have is so big, like so wide. We dug it by hand. Like it's big enough that my whole truck can almost fit in there. And I have a small. My truck is small, so I mean, like it's a 2-door pickup truck. So I mean, there's only 2 doors. I mean, there's the back, like back here is where I could put my stuff. I got a basketball, a hat. My stepdad can't sit on the seat like I can, so he put a pillow down when he sits in here. So we have a pillow on the back for sitting on. Cause he's a little shorter than I am, and all I have to do is see if I sit like this high, and I can see everything. I can drive like this, kind of. I'm like, if I sit, it's hard to fit because I have the steering wheel a certain height. So if I get in and I put my foot like this, like all the way, I have to lean my foot, like say like that. It's touching. I have to lean my foot like this just to get my foot in there. I have to lean it just to fit my foot in there. So I just usually put my foot in sideways and just slide through. I don't have experience on two-ways or highways yet, so I've just been riding it to the mailbox. So the mailbox is about 10 minutes down the road. I have to go 10 minutes down out of the driveway. 10 minutes down the road, because this is not a public road. It's a dead end road that goes each driveways. So I go 10 minutes down this dead end road just to get to the mailbox. So I just drive it down 10 minutes down to the mailbox, down to the church to get stuff. And then I drive it around, pull the grader around with the truck. And I just basically grade the driveways and stuff because we have 5 anchors and we only do like 1 anchor. We only do about half of it, so I do about. I'll show you tomorrow how much I do. Because I'm going to hold the phone this way where it's going to be pointing up like this. Like the phone's going to be like straight up and down. I'm not going to have it to the side because when I have it to the side, it's harder to like record and stuff. Because it was that way and that way. So I'm just going to have it turn to the side and I can just like this, flip it. So you'd be pointing at me, pointing like that. You'd be pointing the. So if I hold it like this, you'd be pointing to me. If I go like this, I'll just turn around pointing to me. But if I have to, I can turn around like that. Hold it like that. I just go like that so you can see me. I go like this so you can see me. No, I just hold it like this so you can see me. I'll have it flipped over so you can see that. And I'll just turn my hand like this. I'll have my hand like this so you can see me, It's so my hand's pointing me like that. Hold the phone and flip it over. Turn it around so you can see. Basically, this truck has 4-wheel drive. My mom's boyfriend's truck is at Super Duty, and the Super Duty he has doesn't have 4-wheel drive, and it's not a diesel. It's an F-250 Super Duty. He has 2-wheel drive only. And my truck has 4 low, 4 high, and 2 high. So I'd put it in 4-wheel drive and just pull them out. If he gets stuck in like the motor or anything. Hopefully I have my license before. Hopefully I actually have my license before winter. Because, if I had my license before winter, I can go to an empty parking lot, rip donuts, and just tear off. All these kids, younger than me, they're driving diesels. I'm over here driving a gas, and I had my first truck, but I'm like, this is my first truck. I'm 20, and I should be driving like I was 15, but I didn't have, I have learning disabilities, so, learning problems. So I can't read numbers right, and tests, I fail on tests. I was going for my gun license test, my gun permit test, and I failed that, and even though they read it to me. So I'm going to take my driver's test. Hopefully I pass, because I have a truck. I'll almost take it probably 1,000 times before I pass. I know nothing about driving. Well, I know how to turn on the blinkers, and I know how to put it in park, roll down the windows, hit the gas and the brake. I know how to turn on the radio. I know how to start the car up. I know how to put it in park, reverse, and neutral, and all that. I know how to fill up gas. I don't really know how to run the blinkers. I think you just flick the lever up and down to turn the blinkers. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos on how to drive and stuff. YouTube always teaches me. I'm gonna have to go through this just to make sure I know what I'm doing. How Why would they tell you how to start the car? And why would you put a kid in the middle? Hold on. How would... Bruh. Wait, I just found the blinkers.